On December 12, 2001, Yanlin Global Vietnam Company Limited was officially established with 100% invested capital from Taiwan. At the beginning, the factory specialized in manufacturing all kinds of tempered safety glass used for car and construction industry. In 2002, the company started to produce car tempered safety glass for famous cars manufacturers. From a small business with $800,000 initial capital, so far after 15 years, company has increased invested capital to $6 million. The company has constantly improved the machinery, equipment, and technology to offer the best products to customers. In July 2004, Yanlin achieved the Quality Management Certificate ISO 9001-2000. Company got the US .807 certificate in January 2005, obtained ISO/TS 16949, an international standard for quality management systems of the automotive component suppliers on global. In January 2008, achieved the E4 stamp certificate. In August 2008, got the ISO 14001-2004 certificate, and also granted the Q1 certification by Ford in this period of time. With materials imported from Thailand, glass blocks are shaped by modern cutters. CNC cutter, based on production statement to run cutting program. After confirmation, put materials on the cutting table by lot lifting mechanism. After fixation, the cutter machine will be operated to cut products. When products cutting is finished, air flow down system will lift the sheet glass up and move the sheet glass to next section to be continued completing the products. Redundant materials will be kept in scrap boxes. All the products will be checked by the QCS on specification. If the products are qualified, they will be moved to the product storing shelf. The cutting accuracy of product is plus subtract 0.1 mm. CNC perforator and profile grinder, based on production statement to choose upgrade program. After confirmation, put products on the position table. Position tolerance is plus subtract 0.1 mm. Turn on starter inhibitor switch. The first automatic hand will move the glass to the upright table. After the 360 degrees revolve upright program is finished, the second automatic hand will lift up the glass and move it to boring bench. Perforator machine bed will move the glass to bore system following position have been chosen before. Position tolerance and bore diameter are plus subtract 0.1 mm. Boring up hole process finished. The third automatic hand will move the glass to band conveyor of washing machine and inspector shall check product. The qualified products will be put on storing shelf of finished products. 1. Cutting hole by water jet. Open program, choose cutting program following name of the products recorded on the production statement. Each product that needs to be cut, the hole shall be set to position on the table at coordinates X is 0, Y is 0 by operator. Cutting system operates according to programs which were installed on the machine before. Accuracy of the cutting size machine is plus subtract 0.2 mm. The cutting process finished. The operator will take the products out and put on the band conveyor of washing machine. 2. Washing process. The glass will be put on the band conveyor. Special purpose water will be sprayed on the surface of the glass. At the same time, one dusting brush system brushes out all the dirt particles and smudge it on the glass surface. The glass is tried out before being taken out of the band conveyor, and QCS will check bore holes position, size of bore holes, and shape of the products before moving the products to the next process. 3. Printing process. The preparation of printing form and print ink are based on the name and product requirements on the production statement. Installation the printing form to the printer. Fixation the glass on the printing table to fix with printing form. Set the printing speed. Ink, which was prepared according to standard, shall be poured into printing form. The printer will print on the surface of the glass, and printing table will automatically take the glass out. Workers will use glass suction equipment to lift up the glass out and put it on the neon light table to check radiolucent and continue moving the glass to the dryer band conveyor. With temperature of drying chamber from 120 to 150 Celsius degree. The printing surface will be dried before the second checking. In this process, all the steps of product printing such as black border printing, drying glasses printing, and logo printing will be completed. 4. CNC bending furnace. Confirm the thickness, the curvature of the product for adjustment installing before the starting production, and set up timing for operation inside the furnace. Time and steam pressure for cooling, and location of glass inside the furnace. Each sheet glass is placed on the input of the furnace band conveyor, following the right band position determined previously. The glass is heated in the furnace with temperatures approximately 1000 Celsius degree, following time set up previously. The glass is automatically moved to bending chamber. At the same time, steam pressure was discharged to harden glasses. This section is making the glass 4 to 5 times stronger than normal glass when broken. The shards will be like pomegranate seeds, sharpless and not anti-personnel. The glass after cooling will be checked on the band and backlash between standard surface and glass surface, as well as the shape based on standards of finished products. 5. Base processing. Each finished sheet glass is arranged by a horizontal range, sealing a primer layer on the glass and base, at the base facing based on the glass production standard. Putting the base into support system, fill up the PU 418 impact adhesive into base slot. Put the glass to the position has been held initially. The base is upheaval and the glass is pressed down at the same time. We'll fasten the base and glass at the borderline. 6. Seam welding. The preparation of connector is based on product requirements of the production statement. Each sheet glass is pushed up to bench leg. The place needs welding to be defined by product standard. Tighten the connector on the glass surface at the weld spot. Using lead and electrical solderer welds connector leg and glass surface meeting and tightening together. Here, inspection procedure of glass dry line are implemented as follows. Connect negative terminal of inspection equipment to connector at the left hand and plus terminal of inspection equipment to connector at the right hand. In addition, inspector moves indicator touching each glass dry line on the glass surface. On the display of inspection equipment will show the figures of electrical resistance of glass dry line at each spot it touches. 7. Checking finish stock before package. Using bend rule to measure the bend at 3 positions sets front, middle, and back of the glass. Turn turtle the glass to screw pitch gauge, and use backlash ruler to check 20 points around the glass between the glass surface and surface of screw pitch gauge, surface standard. Moving the glass up to bracket in front of neon lights to check the glass surface following customer's product standard. Qualified products will be put in blue storage waiting for packaging. Products needs to be treated on surface will be put in orange storage, and red storage is used for defective products. 8. Testing quality. One glass panel placed on the ground. A device takes an iron 38 mm diameter sphere, weight 227 plus subtract 2 grams up to 2.5 meters height, and the ball will free fall and hit the glass surface. However, the glass is not broken and shows no cracking phenomenon. Then comes the method to inspect debris, using paper covering the glass or using the adhesive tape covering the edge of the glass, and use punch hitting the edge of the glass till it breaks. Open the packaging for debris check. 9. Package and bell. Finished products will be cleaned clearly, polished to size of glasses by dedicated cleaning water. Each sheet glass will be arranged into the iron containers. In addition, Each glass was separated together by rubber banisters. The number of glass products inside each package depends on customer orders. Each package will be covered by a nylon layer, stamped and product label be sealed outside package before storage. However, some products was not put in the iron container, but it will be put in the wooden container with the same process to iron container. Or some products use papers to package, packing each seed glass after cleaning both surface of the glass. 10. Stock out. Based on orders from customers, Production Management Department use FIFO process, first in, first out, to prepare procedures. Forklift is not a tool used to lift the cargoes to the trucks after related departments have confirmed those cargoes. With reputable brand and qualified products, Yanglin Company Limited is holding 25% automobile glass market share in Vietnam and becomes a strategic partner to many big enterprises in automotive assembly industry and manufacturing. OEM for GM, Suzuki, Hyundai, Mercedes, Ngô Gia Tư, Ba Thăng Hai, Samco, Reunification, Isuzu, Trường Hai, Xuân Kiến Thanh, etc. In addition, the company's products are exported to Taiwan, Cambodia, Philippines, and is aiming at new markets in the region and the world. At the early days of establishment, Yanglin focused on training technical skills for workers and developed high-quality workmen. One of its key strategies is organizing the training courses, job training for workers to improve their occupational skills. Corporate culture is always the criteria to create enterprise development platform. Because human resources with high qualifications and skills are more important than good modern machinery. The different point of the company is highly skilled workers because they are the ones who directly operate, improve machinery, create new methods to enhance work efficiency. With continuous efforts, Yanglin Global Vietnam Company Limited is recognized as one of the leading automotive glass manufacturers in Vietnam. Aside from the annual revenue reached over 40 billion Vien Dong, the company also makes a full contribution of tax liability to VN government and offers jobs for approximately 100 employees. With the right and different strategies, appropriate technology, strategic partners, and modern employees, Yanglin Global Vietnam Company Limited will integrate well in the future. Yanglin Global Vietnam Company Limited. Address number 5, Street 20, Song Than 2 Industrial Zone, Dĩ An, Binh Dung Province. Telephone +84 065 03732 or +84 065 03732 and fax +84 065 03732 Report 2, Yanglin Company, 25% of car glasses market share in Vietnam. Report 3, name on the map, Taiwan, Cambodia, Philippines, aiming at new markets in the region and the world. Report 4, Yanglin Company, 40 billion Vien Dong revenue, nearly 100 employees.